Okay, so what's up, guys? I made this slime. That's my mom running across the room. Okay, so I made this. Okay, so I made this slime. It's butter slime, and it's a really good consistency. It's like awesome. Okay, so y'all just, yeah. Okay, so it's pretty long. Like here's the bowl that I made it in. It's pretty messy, but I think I'm gonna make it again for y'all. So yeah, let's do this. This is what it turned out the first time, but this is gonna be only my second time doing this, and I forgot all the measurements and stuff. But I think I can figure it out. Okay, back y'all. Okay, so we have, this is also the first one that I made from the first one. Okay, so this, you're gonna need 1 tablespoon and a teaspoon. And so then you're gonna need water. Water, a bowl of, I just have a bowl of water. Contact solution, glue, shaving cream, baking soda, and cornstarch. And food coloring is optional if you want. And then let's get started. So let's see if I can remember the measurements. This is leftover slime. It's a little cornstarchy, but I just found this in the bowl. It's slime. I'm gonna add it to my slime. Okay, so remember, this is how it turns out. It's pretty, it's like really stretchy. And then it's pretty because I had a good day. Okay, so first you're gonna need 3 tablespoons of glue, white Elmer's glue. Okay, so there's one. Like, I literally just made this. Like, right when I made it, I showed my mom that I made it, and then I'm making a video right now. So, yeah, I'll see y'all in a minute. I'm just kidding. Okay. So. Okay, so there's my 3 tablespoons of glue. And then you're gonna need then you're gonna need 3 tablespoons of shaving cream. But do it slowly because you don't want too much. Like, you can run this slime really, really fast. So, there's my second. And my third, let me just get it all out. Okay, so now you're gonna need, well, I'm gonna add my food coloring, and then you're gonna stir it. I'm gonna make mine green, because green is pretty. But only add like 1 drop, because if you do too much food coloring, it like stains your hands. So right now, you're gonna want like this kind of consistency. Like this. Where it's kind of, but like if you touch it, it's like real liquidy. Okay, so now you're gonna need, oh my gosh, I have to think. You're gonna need 2 teaspoons of contact lens solution. Brands for this stuff doesn't matter. So just saying that because I know some of y'all worry about that. But all these brands that I'm using don't matter at all, I promise. Okay, so now it's gonna like want to come together, but it's still gonna be like really liquidy and all that stuff. It's gonna be like liquid. If you guys can hear that in the background, that's my mom using her hairdryer. Okay, so right now you're gonna want like this like stretchy thing, but like it's not like, it's like weird. It's like not slime, but it's like, it looks like slime. Okay, now you're gonna add 4. So like I'm gonna put some baking soda on my, wait, I forgot it. Oh my gosh. Okay, first you are gonna need cornstarch. I'm using this kind, Argo, but you don't have to use it. You're gonna need 3 tablespoons of it. One, 2, 3. Okay, now I got it all over the table. Gotta clean it up before my mom comes. Okay, so now you're just gonna like stir it in. And it's gonna be like slime, but it's still gonna be like that really weird texture. But we're not done. Ew. Okay, so now you're gonna need 4 pinches of baking soda. I'm using this kind, but it doesn't matter what kind you have as well. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and now you are gonna add 2 teaspoons of water. You might think that makes it too liquidy, but it doesn't. Okay. And then you're gonna stir it all in until you get a slime consistency almost. And at first it would be really, really sticky, but once you play with it more, the less sticky, see? Or if it's too sticky for you, then you can add more contact lens solution. Just for that little part. Okay, and so now you're going to add 2 tablespoons of shaving cream for your last final result. It's going to be really, really foamy, as you can tell, but it's going to be good once you play with it. And if you add too much of this stuff, it's really going to mess it up easily. So don't add too much. And then you can just keep adding if it's not good for you. I needed to add more contact solution. I think I added too much cornstarch, so it was really dry. But I need more baking soda, actually. Okay. The first time it worked, I think I just forgot the measurements. No, it's actually slime. It's slime. It's really shaving creamy. And then, for your final thing, is lotion. But I can't even get it open. Wait, hang on. There we go. And lotion. You can pick any kind of lotion that you want. I got mine from Bath and Body Works. citrus. I mean, it is slime, but I think I added too much shaving cream. I need to mix in that lotion. And then add more cornstarch. So, see y'all in a minute. Definitely different texture. Okay, I'm back, y'all. Here's my slime. Definitely a different texture than my first one, but it did work. See, I added more cornstarch. I added 2 more teaspoons of cornstarch, and then here's what it got. See, it's kind of the same as my first one, but this one is definitely lighter and more foamy. I almost just mixed them together. So now we have these two. Comment down below if I should mix them in the next video. So my channel is called the Team Kid House because I live in a neighborhood and all my best friends live in it. So we're going to be making more videos, but it's not all going to be about slime, but there's probably going to be a lot of slime videos. So, be ready. So this is what I got. So let's do, I'm going to wipe this off like this, and let's do some butter action for y'all. Okay, so. Sorry, Mom, that the table's messy. So, me and my friends are really big fans of, sorry, my mom's making something to eat and that's probably gonna keep on beeping. Oh, it's not. Okay, so, I have a lot of friends that live in this neighborhood. They're like my best friends ever. And we are all Jake Pauler fans. Well, and the Logan. We're Logan Paulers. But, like, we wanted to copy off the Team 10 house. But since we're all kids and we always play together and stuff, it's called the Team Kid House. And so, that's kind of how it started. And so, I just hope you guys support. And they will probably be here in the next video. Actually, no. I'm gonna vlog probably sometime today, maybe, or tomorrow, because I'm going with my cousin to the lodge. So I'm really excited about that. So I might make a video with my cousin, and that's my mom again, with my cousin, all that stuff. So here's my second one. It's pretty good. It's definitely lighter than the first one because I added a lot of shaving cream. As you can see, like this one spreads like this. It's weird. It's like kind of thicker than butter slime. And then the first one I made, this is how it is. So like this one right here is definitely thicker, if you ask me. But I like them better. Comment down below if I should mix them